Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals. First, establish a clear study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Identify your most challenging areas and dedicate more time to them. Collect all your textbooks, notes, and past papers early. This organized approach will help you manage your time effectively and reduce stress as exams approach, ensuring you cover all essential material thoroughly. Next, employ effective study techniques. Don't just reread notes. Actively test yourself with flashcards or practice questions. Review material at increasing intervals over time to strengthen your memory. Try teaching difficult concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you already know, making your learning more robust. Maintaining your well-being is crucial during this intense period. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to keep your mind sharp. Incorporate short, 15-minute breaks every hour or so to prevent mental fatigue and improve focus. Remember to drink plenty of water and eat balanced meals. Proper nutrition fuels your brain and sustains your energy levels throughout your study sessions. On the day before your exam, do a quick review of essential formulas and definitions, but avoid cramming new information. Pack your bag with all necessary items like pens, pencils, and your admit card the night before to avoid morning rush. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Get a good night's sleep and wake up refreshed, ready to perform your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.